Welcome to another video, the same every time, looking at IGCSE maths, GCSE maths, exam questions that are the same every time, apart from the numbers. Learn how to do them, you get yourself into the marks, you get yourself into the grades. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Well, I've deliberately chosen this question for this video because it is one that involves a whole number and does not seem to involve two algebra fractions. But if we are going to simplify this and write it as a single fraction, we need to have one fraction take away another fraction. So I've got the whole number 2. How do I convert a whole number into a fraction? Well, very straightforward. I just have to write it over 1. So, whole number 2, writing it as a fraction, 2 over 1. And then we're taking away 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Now the method is exactly the same as it was before, the same every time. So, the denominator 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Well, I'll write it in 1 multiplied by x plus 1 like that. And that denominator stays exactly like that. We don't really need to do anything with it. And then I need to do this multiplied by this. So that's the first thing I do. So 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Then I need the sign, the operation, which in this case is a minus, a takeaway. And then I do this multiplied by this. So 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 multiplied by 1. So I'll stick a 1 outside there. Now I need to simplify, and my denominator is going to stay the same. 1 times x plus 1 is just x plus 1. I've not written the brackets. You could write the brackets, but when it's the entire denominator of a fraction, you don't really need them. You could put them in if you wanted to. Let's expand these brackets. 2 brackets x plus 1, 2x plus 2, minus, be careful here, minus 1 times 2x, minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 1, be very careful. Minus times a minus, that's going to be a positive. Positive 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And next stage, on the bottom of my fraction, I have x plus 1. At the top, simplifying. Well, I've got 2x and minus 2x. So how many x do I have? 2x minus 2x, well, that's 0. So I don't need to write anything down. There are no x terms in there. Numbers, I've got a plus 2, a positive 2, and a plus 1. Positive 2 plus 1 is positive 3. I don't need to write the positive sign. That's the only thing that I have, isn't it? So 3 over x plus 1, in fact, just make that look a bit better. So 3 over x plus 1 is my final answer for that one. So there you are, give yourself 3 marks. It's the same every time, apart from the numbers. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. If the video was useful to you, then please press the like button. Please also subscribe, that's useful to us. Thank you very much for watching. I will return with the next video.